welcome back to Codage VIT, and this is today's Vprople question: derivation. Word derivation. See, it's not a hard question; it's an easy question. Oh, okay. Let me tell it as a medium level of question. Okay, but still, I just saw that around 19 or 20 submissions have been done till now for this question. I don't know why. Anyways, let me explain what this question demands to us. See, let us see the input and output format. See, there will be a word provided to you. Okay, suppose this is the word which is provided to you, and there will be a w dash, another word. You have to convert this word into this word using this rule. Wherever you find AB in this given word, you have to change it to BA, and you have to keep on doing it until you get this word. If in case you cannot get this w dash from the given word, then you have to print no. Remember, you don't have to print 1 or 0. Okay, it's basically you have to print yes or no. So here you should print yes or no. For example, see over. Let me see show you another example. See, A B B B. See, this is the word, and the rule is AB should be changed to BA. So see, this is AB, which is changed to BA. You got BAB, and once again this is AB. It gets changed into BA. So BBA. So this word gets changed into this within 3 steps by following this rule. Okay, that is what we have to do. This is W is the word given to you. W dash is the word which has to be changed. Okay, this has to be changed into this, and this is the rule which you have to follow, T and T dash. And if this word gets changed into this, print yes, or else print no. Okay, and one more rule which you have to follow is, see, if T occurs at more than 1 places, the T which occurs in the leftmost position in W is replaced. Okay, so what does this means? Let me tell you. So suppose the word is A B A B, A B B B A B. Okay, this is a word, and the rule is A B has to be changed into B A. Now you can see over here we have got A B and A B 2 times, but according to the rule, the leftmost AB, this is the leftmost AB. This is only gonna change. Okay, only this is gonna change. Okay, so it will become BA BB AB. Okay, see here I didn't change this AB. I just changed the leftmost one. Now once again, if I have to apply the rule on this, then see, this is the AB. See, this is AB. Okay, and this is also an AB, but the leftmost AB is this one. So this one will get changed into BBA BAB. Okay, now see, this is another AB and this is another AB. Okay, now this is the leftmost AB, so it will get changed. Okay, that is what we have to follow. So this is all for the explanation. Let's move on to the code. Okay, I'll be providing a very short and a very simple code which will be quite understandable for you. So suppose WN, since it's a string, so I've written only input over here. W dash input T in input T dash input. Okay, now see, let me set a flag variable. Okay, flag which is equals to no. Now see, we have to go for a while loop. While see, while T in is in WN. What does this means? It means that I'll be running my while loop. Until this given T is present inside my given word. Okay, for example, see, I'll be running my while loop until this AB word is present inside this. See, AB is inside this, right? So it gets okay. It will get changed. And see over here, one second. So basically, what it means is I'll keep on doing my while loop until and unless I find this inside this. Okay, there will be a stage when this word won't be available inside this, isn't it? So that is why I've given this condition for my while loop. Now see, giving conditions is the most important thing. Which, okay, so WN is equals to W dash in dot. Now I'll give you another reason why I like Python. Let me show you why. T in comma T dash comma 1. Now what does this mean? See, replace function dot replace function is a function which is available in Python, which can replace a given element from a given string. Okay, for example, see, suppose my T in is AB, and my T dash is BA, and my given word is ABB. So see, AB is present inside this, right? So what it will do, it will replace AB with BA. From this word WN, from this word AB will be replaced with BA, and one stands for only once. Okay, for example, suppose once again, if I was having AB, so dot replace will be only replacing this AB. It won't replace this AB because I've written 1 over here. If I would have written 2 over here, then it would have replaced AB as well as this AB also. But since I've written only 1, so it will do the operation only once, and it will do the operation for the leftmost element. It will start its search operation from left side, and it will find the first AB. This is my first AB, and it will get replaced only once. Then it won't go for other AB. This is what it means. Okay, so I guess you might be clear with this replace function. Okay, it's a very useful function of Python. Now see, once this is done, see what I'll be doing is, if wn is equals to w dash, okay, if that is the case, then set flag to yes, and we should break, and at the end I'll just print my flag. Now see, what does this mean? Suppose if we are doing this replace option, okay, suppose over here my t dash is VAP. So what will happen? This is my word. Okay, it will search for, okay, see, t, it will see whether while t in is w. See, this is my t in, and t in is present inside this, isn't it? AB is present inside this. So this while loop will start working. Okay, it will replace t in with t dash for once. This is my AB. It get replaced. This AB gets replaced with BA. So ultimately it will become BAB. Since now, okay, so it gets, see, it gets changed into BAP. Now you can see this and this, t in and t dash both are equal. If they both are equal, then I don't need to continue doing this operation, isn't it? So I'll be breaking my while loop, and I'll be setting my flag variable with yes, and ultimately I'll be printing my flag. This is the entire code, okay, for this question. It's a damn easy code. It's a damn easy question also. I don't know why, but still there are only 20 summations. Anyway, leave it. Thank you for watching.